Hey everyone, I'm Ryan, and on this episode of Baking with Ryan, I'm making a raspberry flower cake. This decorating technique is fun and easy, and the end result is stunning. All you need is an open star tip. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The ingredients you'll need to make the cake are 4 8-inch vanilla cakes, Swiss meringue buttercream, raspberry filling, rose food coloring, and pink food coloring. You can find the recipe for the cake, frosting, and raspberry filling in the description below. Now let's assemble the cake. Begin by spreading down some buttercream on the cake board to secure down the first cake layer. Next, use an ice cream scoop to measure out 1 scoop of frosting. Then, spread it out with a large offset spatula until it resembles a thin layer. Use a piping bag fitted with a round piping tip and pipe a ring of frosting around the edge. Now, fill in the center with 1/3 of a cup of raspberry filling. Once again, spread it out into a thin layer with an offset spatula. Place on the second layer and repeat the process 2 more times. After you've spread out the 3rd layer of raspberry filling, place on the 4th cake. Be sure to place it on upside down. This will ensure that your cake has perfectly sharp edges. Then it's time to frost the cake. Use a piping bag fitted with a Wilton No. 789 piping tip and pipe stripes of frosting going up the sides of the cake. Finish off the piping by covering the top in more buttercream. Now, hold a cake scraper on the side of the cake and start spinning the turntable. This is a super easy way to get perfectly smooth sides. Place the cake in the fridge for 20 minutes to firm up. Using a Wilton 1M tip and some pink frosting, pipe dots of frosting all around in a random pattern. Next, I used the same technique with some different colors, light pink and white. Once you've gone all around the cake with those colors, fill in any gaps with the remaining frosting. The final step is to do the same piping on top. Overall, this cake is actually really easy, but the end result is amazing. I hope you try it. And finally, the cake is done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what cake you want me to make next.